Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is head on over to account.microsoft.com and sign in with your email address and password. Now once you're here next to Microsoft account, go ahead and click on the 9 dots. Then from here we need to go ahead and open up Outlook. Now, once Outlook opens up, we want to go ahead and find the emails you'd like to send over to OneDrive. So go to Inbox and click on your emails that you want to send over. So I'm just going to, for this demonstration, I'm going to click on my sent item here. So I want to send this email over to OneDrive. To do this, click on it, and then from here, click on the 3 dots, and then click on download, and then we want to download this as MSG. So now this is going to go to your computer and you can see I've downloaded it. Now we need to send this over to OneDrive. So go back to your Microsoft account, click on the dots next to the Microsoft account and click into OneDrive. Now once OneDrive opens up, we want to go ahead and click on My Files, and you want to put those emails in a folder, or if you got a particular folder, go ahead and click into it. For this demonstration, I'm going to put this email into a folder called Outlook Emails. So I'm just going to click onto it. It says this folder is empty. From here on the top left it says create or upload, so I want to go ahead and upload that file that I just downloaded from my Outlook emails. So I'm going to go ahead and click on file upload, and now here it is here. It's called Hey, and now this is going to upload to Outlook emails.